We all have dreams. Some dream of mansions, others dream of yachts. These dreams often symbolize success, luxury, and the pinnacle of achievement. They are the epitome of what many strive for, the ultimate reward for years of hard work and dedication. Me? I dream of cars. Not just any cars, but the kind that roar with power and elegance, the kind that make your heart race and your spirit soar. Cars that are more than just machines. They are a manifestation of passion and engineering brilliance. Fast cars, powerful cars, the kind of cars that make you feel alive, that make every drive an adventure. These are the cars that dominate the racetracks and the highways, leaving a trail of awe and admiration in their wake. The kind of cars that turn heads and drop jaws. They are the centerpieces of car shows, the dream machines that car enthusiasts spend hours admiring. These cars are not just about speed and power, they are about the artistry and craftsmanship that go into creating something truly extraordinary. This isn't your typical rags-to-riches car story. It's not about finding a hidden gem in a barn or inheriting a classic from a long-lost relative. No, this story is about something much more profound and inspiring. This is about pure grit, ingenuity, and a burning desire to prove that you don't need a seven-figure bank account to own a supercar. It's about the relentless pursuit of a dream, the willingness to get your hands dirty, and the creativity to turn the impossible into reality. This is the story of a DIY mechanic who dared to build his own $50,000 supercar from the ground up. A story of determination, where every bolt tightened and every weld made was a step closer to achieving a dream that many would deem unattainable. It all started with a vision of a car that would not only perform like a supercar, but also look the part. A vision that was clear and unwavering, despite the many challenges and obstacles that lay ahead. A vision of a sleek, powerful machine born not in some fancy Italian factory but in a humble garage. A place where dreams are forged with sweat and perseverance, where every tool and every part has a story to tell. This mechanic, armed with nothing but passion, creativity, and a toolbox full of dreams, was about to embark on a journey that would challenge the very definition of what's possible. A journey that would test his skills, his patience, and his resolve. Get ready to dive into the heart and soul of a true automotive masterpiece. A testament to the power of human ingenuity and the unwavering spirit of those who dare to build their dreams. This is not just a car, it's a symbol of what can be achieved when you refuse to give up, when you push beyond the limits, and when you believe in the power of your dreams. Nights turned into early mornings, and weekends were consumed by the relentless pursuit of perfection. Every detail mattered, every component had to be just right. This was a labor of love, a project that demanded not just technical skill, but also an unyielding passion for the craft. Hours were spent researching, sourcing parts, and learning new techniques. The internet became a treasure trove of knowledge, a place where the mechanic could find the answers to the countless questions that arose during the build. It was a journey of discovery, where every new piece of information brought the vision one step closer to reality. And it wasn't a journey taken alone. Friends and family offered their support, lending a hand when needed, and providing the encouragement that kept the dream alive. This was a community effort, testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of having a support system. There were setbacks, of course, moments of doubt and frustration when things didn't go as planned, but each challenge was met with determination and resilience. Every problem had a solution, and every obstacle was an opportunity to learn and grow. And then came the moment of truth. The first test drive. The thrill of feeling the car come to life, the roar of the engine, the smoothness of the ride. It was a moment of pure joy, a culmination of all the hard work and dedication that had gone into the build. Looking back, the journey was as important as the destination. Every late night, every setback, every moment of doubt was worth it. The car was more than just a vehicle. It was a symbol of what can be achieved with passion, perseverance, and a little bit of ingenuity. So here's to the dreamers, the builders, the ones who dare to turn their visions into reality. Here's to the journey from junkyard jewel to road warrior. A journey that proves that with enough passion and determination, anything is possible. And as the sun sets, the road ahead is filled with endless possibilities. The journey continues, and the dream lives on. This is just the beginning of a new adventure, a new story waiting to be written. Every masterpiece starts with a vision. Michelangelo had his Sistine Chapel, Da Vinci had the Mona Lisa, and this DIY mechanic, he had a stack of napkins covered in sketches, diagrams, and wild ideas. The blueprint phase was more than just lines on paper. It was about breathing life into a dream. Countless hours were spent hunched over a table, meticulously plotting every curve, every angle, and every intricate detail of this automotive puzzle. This wasn't just about building a car, it was about crafting an experience. The blueprints weren't just technical specs, they were a love letter to speed, power, and the sheer artistry of automotive design. Building a supercar on a shoestring budget requires a special kind of resourcefulness. It means becoming a master scavenger, a junkyard whisperer, able to spot potential in piles of forgotten metal. Our DIY mechanic became a regular at scrapyards and salvage auctions. He could sniff out a diamond in the rough faster than a bloodhound on a scent. A discarded Corvette frame here. A set of high-performance brakes there. Each salvaged treasure brought him one step closer to realizing his vision. He wasn't just collecting parts, he was orchestrating a symphony of automotive ingenuity, proving that one man's trash can truly be another man's treasure. The heart of a racer, unleashing the LS engine's fury. The engine, the beating heart of any performance car. It's the core, the essence, the very soul that defines the machine. Without a powerful engine, a car is just a shell, a mere shadow of what it could be. The LS engine, renowned for its robustness and versatility, is a favorite among car enthusiasts and racers alike. Its reputation precedes it, known for delivering unparalleled performance and reliability. And for this build, our mechanic had a trick up his sleeve. He wasn't just looking for any engine. He was on the hunt for something special, something that would set this build apart from the rest. His eyes were set on the legendary LS engine, a powerhouse known for its potential to be transformed into a beast on the track. He managed to snag a powerful LS engine from a salvaged Corvette. This wasn't just any Corvette, it was a car that had seen better days, but its heart still beat strong. The engine, though worn and weathered, held the promise of greatness. It was a diamond in the rough, waiting to be polished and brought back to life. A steal of a deal, but it was far from ready to roar. The engine was in a sorry state, covered in rust and grime, with parts scattered and in need of serious attention. It was a challenge, but one that our mechanic was more than ready to take on. He saw the potential, the raw power that lay dormant within. Hours were spent meticulously rebuilding and modifying the engine. Every bolt, every component was carefully inspected, cleaned, and restored. It was a labor of love, a testament to the dedication and skill of our mechanic. He knew that every detail mattered, that perfection was in the small things. Performance upgrades were carefully selected and installed, squeezing every ounce of horsepower out of this American muscle. High-performance pistons, a custom camshaft, and a state-of-the-art fuel injection system were just a few of the enhancements made. Each upgrade was chosen to maximize power and efficiency, turning the LS engine into a true powerhouse. The air crackled with anticipation as the engine roared to life for the first time. It was a moment of triumph, the culmination of countless hours of hard work and dedication. The sound was deafening, a roar that echoed through the garage and sent chills down the spine of everyone present. It was a sound that sent shivers down your spine, a symphony of raw power and mechanical poetry. The engine's roar was more than just noise, it was music to the ears of any car enthusiast. It was the sound of potential, of power waiting to be unleashed on the open road. This wasn't just an engine, it was the heart and soul of a true beast. It represented the culmination of passion, skill, and dedication. The LS engine, now fully restored and upgraded, was ready to take on any challenge, to dominate the track and leave a trail of awe in its wake. This was more than just a build, it was a masterpiece, a testament to what can be achieved when you unleash the fury of the LS engine. Sculpting speed, a symphony of fiberglass and carbon fiber. Now it was time to give this beast a body. The heart and soul of any high-performance vehicle lie not just in its engine, but in the very skin that wraps around it. But forget about expensive, factory-pressed panels. Those are for the assembly line, not for a bespoke creation like this. This build was all about lightweight agility, achieved through a combination of fiberglass and carbon fiber. These materials are the unsung heroes of modern automotive engineering, offering strength without the burden of excess weight. Hours were spent meticulously shaping and molding the bodywork by hand. Each piece was a labor of love, a testament to the dedication and skill of the craftsman. Each curve and contour was painstakingly crafted, not just for aesthetics, but for aerodynamic efficiency. The lines of the car had to be perfect, flowing seamlessly from front to back. This wasn't just about looks, it was about physics. The car had to be able to slice through the air with minimal resistance, a feat that required both art and science. The car had to cut through the air like a hot knife through butter. Every angle, every surface was scrutinized and optimized for performance. It was a delicate dance between form and function, and our DIY mechanic was the lead choreographer. Balancing the need for speed with the desire for beauty, the result was a masterpiece of engineering and design. The final touches were applied with the utmost care, ensuring that every detail was perfect. This was more than just a car, it was a work of art, a symphony of fiberglass and carbon fiber. As the car rolled out of the garage, gleaming in the sunlight, it was clear that this was no ordinary vehicle. It was a testament to what can be achieved with passion, skill, and a little bit of ingenuity. On the open road, the car came alive, its lightweight body and aerodynamic design allowing it to reach speeds that seemed almost impossible. It was a true marvel of modern engineering, a testament to the power of human creativity and determination. Inside, the car was just as impressive. Every detail had been carefully considered, from the placement of the controls to the stitching on the seats. It was a perfect blend of form and function, a true driver's car. As the car drove into the sunset, it was a fitting end to a journey that had been as much about the process as the final product. This was more than just a car. It was a dream brought to life, a symphony of fiberglass and carbon fiber. Cockpit of dreams, where functionality meets racing spirit. The interior of the car was a testament to the build's philosophy, pure driving experience. Forget about fancy infotainment systems or heated seats. This cockpit was all business. A pair of racing seats hugged the driver and passenger, while a custom roll cage provided both safety and rigidity. The dashboard was a study in minimalism, with only the essential gauges and controls within easy reach. This wasn't a car for cruising down the boulevard, it was a machine built for pushing the limits. The interior reflected that ethos, creating a visceral connection between driver and machine.